Alright, here is a 42-inch ceiling fan. This would be actually my first ceiling fan video of the channel. This is an S.M.C branded, and the model name of this one is Park Avenue 2, 42 inches. And the information, I think it's right over there. Let's smooth this. I think it says model DC42 or something like that. This particular one is from February of 1988. This replaced a S.M.C ceiling fan that was in here previously from this one. The one I had in here before was an S.M.C of some sort. I don't know what type it was. It looked just like this one, but it didn't have a motor housing. That one unfortunately burned out. Just suddenly stopped working. I concluded that it was the motor that burned out on it. So I wanted to try to find a ceiling fan for my room here, and I wasn't going to go to the Home Depot or Lowe's or something to find a modern ceiling fan, because I just absolutely hate the styling of ceiling fans of today. They're just ugly looking. I wanted to try to find a vintage one, and I wanted to try to find a 42-inch one, because anything bigger than 42-inch for this room would look cosmetically weird, because this room is very small. It's not really a big room. So I went on the eBay, and I was not expecting to find anything good when it comes to reasonable pricing on there. But I actually did come across this on eBay for a reasonable price and reasonable shipping, and I ordered it and I got it, and this actually came new in the box. February of 1988, and this never been used. This is actually new out of the box. I'm the first owner to ever use it. Speaking of the box, it did come with its original box. Now in the shipping process, they did not put this box in a box. They just put like a whole plastic bag over it, and they taped it onto the box. You can kind of see the leftover of the bag. I couldn't take that off because they taped it. And if I try to remove this tape, it'll just ruin all the pictures on there. Well, for the box being over 30 years old, it's actually in pretty good shape. There's all the different finishes. This one comes in the antique brass finish. At first, when I first saw this, I thought it would be polished brass, which I thought was kind of neat. But it's in the antique brass, which I also like as well. Looks like they have white with polished brass finish. Dual mounting system with either flush mounted or down rod. There's the side. I'm just glad that this box didn't arrive damaged or something, because, like I said, they didn't put this box in a box. It just arrived like this, wrapped up in a plastic bag. The other side's the same. here is the instruction book and its warranty register thing. You can pause the video if you so desired if you want to read it. Alright, so there's that, and because this came new in the box, how I knew was that the blades were sealed with their original plastic seal. Because this came new in the box, it is in mint condition. There's no scratches on there or anything, it's just mint. Great condition. I have the stencil side facing down, reversible to non-stencil. So there it is. I'll go ahead and turn this on, and I'll start with low. There is a motor whine to it. It does quiet down once it starts running. Blowing a gentle breeze. Alright, go to medium. Moving a good amount of air. It's not in perfect balance, it does wobble just a little bit. It wobbles mostly on high. It's very noticeably on high speed. And go to high. and there it starts wobbling pretty good. It does make some kind of creaking noise because it wobbles so much. Pretty powerful. A lot of air moving around in this little room. And off. It does have a slight bearing sound to it as well, which is kind of known for S.M.C fans to have that. But there you have it. S.M.C branded Park Avenue 2. Model number is, I think, DC42, something like that. Yeah. First ceiling fan video of the channel. With original box.